Welcome back, YouTube. I'm your instructor, Cedric B. Today we're learning Won't Stop Now by Elevation Worship, key of A natural. Let's go over the scale. A is the 1, B is the 2, C sharp is the 3, D is the 4, E is the 5, F sharp is the 6, G sharp is the 7, and A is the 1. All right, so let's play through. Now I'm ready for whatever you wanna do. Your presence is enough to so come now, Lord, whatever we do. I know it's coming. I see a miracle. My God gave me a purpose and it won't stop now. I know breakthrough is coming. Now I see a miracle. My God gave me a promise and it won't stop now. Your presence is an open door. So come now, Lord, like never before. All right, so let's get into learning it. The intro on the left hand, you're going to play the 1, and then the 4, and then back to the 1. So we'll teach the intro in 2 parts. That's the first part. So let's learn the right hand. Also on the 1, you're playing 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. So remember that lick. You're going to play it a lot in the intro. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to go to the 6. And then you're going to do it again. 1, 2, 1, 2. I mean, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we got 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6. 4 in the left hand, 6 in the right hand. And then back to the 1. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to start it over. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the whole intro. All right, and this is what they start the verse. They say, I give you glory. All right, so left hand is 1, and then 4, and then 1, and then 6, and then 5, and then 4. All right, so you're about to learn all the chords for the verse and the chorus. All right, so the chords don't change during the verse of the chorus. The bass changes. It changes one note. All right. So first chord on the left hand you're playing the 1. Right hand you're playing 5, 1, 3. I give you glory. All right. Next you're going to the 4 in your left hand. Right hand you're playing 6, 1, 4. I give you glory for all that you've done. Back to that first chord you played. And now I'm ready. 6 in your left hand, right hand you're playing 5, 1, 3. You already played this chord. And now I'm ready for whatever. 5 in your left hand, right hand 5, 7, 2. You wanna do 4 in your left hand, 4, 6, 1 in your right hand. So let's try that whole thing. I give you glory that you've done. And I'm probably singing the wrong words. And now I'm ready for whatever you do. All right, so now to the chorus. Now in the chorus, the only thing that changes, literally, the only thing that changes, your chords stay the same. Only thing that changes is the bass. So where you were doing 1 4 1, now you're doing 1 2 1, and then the same 6 5 4. So your presence, then to the two, is an open door. Back to that one. So come now, Lord, 6, like 5 never before, and it's the 4. So that's pretty easy. Again, let's do the chorus one more time. Your presence is an open door. So come now, Lord, like never before. All right. Last part is the vamp. Um, so in your left hand, you're playing the 4, and then the 5. That's it. In your right hand, you'll hear if you listen to the record, they do something like oh, so oh, I know breakthrough is coming to the 5. All right, so let's go back. So on that 4 in the left hand, right hand, you're playing 1 2 3 5. So you'll play that melody. Oh, all right, and that's your chord. 1 2 3 5. And then in the left hand, the next chord is 5. Right hand, you're playing 5 7 2. So oh, I know breakthrough is coming. Now I see a miracle. God made me a promise and it won't stop now. Oh, I know breakthrough is coming. Right now, I see a miracle. My God made me a promise and it won't stop now. That's the whole song. Your presence is an open door. So come now, Lord, like never before. All right. I hope you enjoyed it. Be blessed. Make your requests. Subscribe, like, and comment.